Yeah, it's cute. Shorty just changed everything. I wonder how life without her would go. Wake up every morning to her face, she got a pregnancy glow. A smile is everything, it's getting hard telling her no. I look into her eyes like my heart took a dive in some snow. I met up how she reciprocates love and affection. She never wanted money, she just wants love and attention. The sex is good, that's how we usually relieve the tension. But sex ain't better than love is what I forgot to mention. Time is everything and the only thing she's asking me for. She'd rather go see a movie than me copper her fours. I got her down to ask for shit that's hard to ignore. She just wants to travel my heart, so I let her explore. She sound like any other female I talked to before. I want this shit forever, family, friends, and my baby girl. So much things in my mind, I don't know where to start. I'm always with her cause I hate the thought of us being apart. But when we can't be together, it's just time that I'm blown. Working in the studio, working on time in the floor. This house I'll take some time off, they're planning vacation. Somewhere romantic, we could discover some other relations. Build a solid bond with no changes to separation. Evaporate negative vibes in all the locations. I understand that there's tough times, yeah. I understand that I'm not really perfect. I understand that there's hard grinds. And in my mind I ask myself, do she really think I'm worth it? Yeah, I gotta be worth it, I gotta be perfect, I gotta deserve it, I gotta preserve all the love I have for her. Cause I walk the earth and back, but only for her. I smack Barack Obama's wife, but only for her. I just want to see the world of the American dream. While she whack niggas plot, while she rap bitches to scheme. Have a bond that separates the money and fame. Have a marriage but my baby just carries my name. I'm a donor, she's a melanin straight out the game. I swear I won't change, I live to see her smile. Cause she know that she's the girl that I want for a while. I love her like a mother lover, her newborn child. My everyday motivation gets a standing ovation. For respecting cues, grind to be so patient. She be impatient cause she knows what lies in the future. Cause in her presence she's surrounded by bunches of losers. Tell me who I left behind so I could pick them up. You know, bring them up with me. It's only right cause it is sight of my friends at the night and me being so hungry. One of them told me, my cousin Tony said we all in this together for the cheddar, fuck all the baloney. I got some real fucking friends and I'm calling my family. My boys Leak, Ty, Tay, my little nigga Manny. Everyone in 1950 is always behind me. Damn, I got my building just right on my shoulders. They all cheering me on, waiting on me to push forward. They're not the only ones, cause I got my only one. Taking every single step with me as I get closer. I only got one shot, I'd be damned if I wasted. My dream just step away so close I could finally taste it. My mom and dad would be so proud that I finally made it. And that I follow all my dreams and none of them faded. And making sure that all my haters is listening and hate it. And that the thoughts of failure were completely decimated. Taking gambles of life, I'm steady rolling dice. Let's hope I head crack and live that outside paradise. Yeah, it's cute. Ayo, beat is for you, yeah.